Easy Teachers Day speech. Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, dear teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today I am truly delighted to speak about one of the most beautiful and meaningful occasion, Teachers Day. Teachers Day is not just a day to celebrate our teachers. It is a day to recognize their dedication, patience, hard work, and the important role they play in shaping our lives. A teacher is not simply a person who teaches us lessons from books. A teacher is someone who guides us, inspires us, encourages us, and helps us become better human beings. From our very first day at school, teachers become an important part of our journey. They teach us how to read and write, how to solve problems, how to express ourselves, and how to face challenges with confidence. More importantly, they teach us values such as kind, honesty, discipline, respect, responsibility, and perseverance. A great teacher can see something special in a child even when the child does not see it as in themselves. Sometimes a simple sentence such as "you can do it" can give a chance the confidence to try again. Sometimes a teacher's encouragement can completely change the way a child looks at themselves and their abilities. Teaching is not an easy profession. Teachers spend countless hours preparing lessons, creating activities, checking notebooks, planning assessment, supporting students, and making sure that every child gets an opportunity to learn. Behind every successful classroom, there is a teacher who have worked with patience, dedication, and love. The most beautiful part of teaching is that its impact often goes far beyond the classroom. A teacher may teach a child for only 1 and 2 years, but the lesson and values given by that teacher can remain with the child for a lifetime. Teachers do not merely prepare students for examinations, they prepare them for challenges of life. They teach us that failure is not the end, that mistakes are opportunities to learn, and that success comes through patience, effort, and determination. As we just celebrate Teachers' Day, let us remember that every teacher lives a small part of themselves in the lives of their students. Their words can become our confidence, their guidance can become our strength, and their encouragement can become the reason we never give up. To all the wonderful teachers who work tirelessly every day, thank you for believing in your students, for being patient with them, for correcting them when they make mistakes, and for encouraging them to become the best version of themselves. A teacher may not always see the result of their effort immediately. But somewhere, someday, a student will remember their teacher and say, "That teacher believed in me," and that belief made a difference. So, on this special occasion, let us express our heartfelt gratitude to every teacher who has touched our lives and helped us become who we are today. A good teacher teaches us lessons, a great teacher inspires us, and a truly unforgettable teacher changes our lives. Happy Teachers' Day to all the amazing teachers. Thank